Hi folks, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's tutorial, I will share to you how to get a YouTube video link. And we can connect this YouTube video link in our Facebook page or our Facebook friends. And also we can connect this to our messenger. But before we continue, let's enter first and we will continue our tutorial. Let's continue. Open your YouTube application in your Android phone. In this tutorial, I will show you two ways how to get YouTube video link, and we can add this one or connect this one to Facebook page or Facebook or even in Messenger. So I will tap this library, then I will tap this your videos, then I will tap this three dots, then I will tap share, then tap copy link. And then the second way is tap the video, then stop and remove this one and tap share and tap copy link. After you get the YouTube video link, we can connect this one to Facebook. So let me go to Facebook application. So I will tap, this is my Facebook. I will tap what's on your mind. Then tap and hold and remove your fingers. Then tap paste. So I will add a little, encouragement words here. Let's say I will write good day. Okay, then I will write also here my new uploaded video. Enter key. Then you get the title here. We can add also how to open YouTube on Chrome browser 2022. So we can add also here how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome browser then 2022. Okay, enter, and you can add more whatever you like. You can add also here, please like and share or subscribe my YouTube channel. You can add whatever you like. The encouragement word that you can add, it will be okay. Then you can post now. You can tap the post. Now this one we can copy also this one to and connect to our Facebook page. This is my Facebook. I will copy this one. Copy, and then I will tap this one, discard. Then I will tap this remove this one, this three dots, tap this arrow down, then go to my Facebook page, ShirlJun Vlogs, and tap what's on your mind, and then tap and hold again and paste. So this is the way how we can connect the Facebook page and Facebook. So we can add also this one to in the Messenger. So I will copy this one and then go to Messenger application, this one, and let's say like this. Okay, and I will select my Messenger, and I will tap here in message and paste, then tap this arrow key. Okay, I think you get my step-by-step tutorial how to get the YouTube video link, and then paste this one to Facebook page and Facebook and Messenger. That's it. Okay folks, if you learned something in my tutorial, consider subscribe our YouTube channel ShirlJun Vlogs and hit notification bell so you'll be notified with our latest video. See you in my next tutorial.